everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing the steps for making chicken and peanut butter sauce served with rice and coleslaw. Happy watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Enjoy. So this is me trying to make a detailed video of the seasoning that I use for the chicken. I'm using sea salt red wine vinegar. We are gonna drizzle it all over the chicken. The fresh chicken from the fresh farm. Everything is fresh here. And then we're gonna use lemon juice. We're gonna drizzle it generously a bit on the chicken. Yeah, just drizzle it all over. And then we're gonna use, okay, you guys can read for yourself. I don't want to mispronounce it. So we're gonna use that. Not so much. I think I added a bit too much because it changes color. Next we're gonna use Portuguese chicken spice mix. Just a little bit. The grinder is so hard to use, so I don't think I used a lot. It was just a little bit of that. What's next? So we continue with the seasoning. We're using dried mixed herbs. We're gonna put some in there over the chicken, I mean. And then we are gonna use another seasoning, another spice, which is chicken barbecue spice. And we're gonna put it all over the chicken. We're not yet done with the seasoning. So for the last part, I used Royco and chicken seasoning. The Royco adds color. I think I love it. Not a lot because most people complain about it. Yeah, especially when you're cooking for a lot of people. So just a little bit. We then fry our chicken to lock in the flavor. Yeah, before we add it to the stew. So here's us with everything ready: carrots, pepper, garlic, onions, green beans, and chicken. Yeah, all nicely chopped up. And we're ready to cook our stew, and tomatoes, of course. We cooking. We add the onions into the pan and the garlic, and we fry that up. We fry it up. We then add the dried mixed herbs into the pot for flavor, and then I was using badasha chicken masala, but you can use chicken curry just a little bit. This will help enhance the flavor. Then I added onion salt for flavor. You just grind that up. We grind it. And then I added Nando's wild herb sauce. Okay, that was a generous amount of that. And then we just mix that all up. Time for more vegetables. we are gonna add the green beans. We also gonna add the carrots into the stew, and then we're gonna leave the green pepper for later. I prefer adding my green pepper and my fresh herbs last. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. It's looking good. Okay, time for the special ingredient, which is our peanut butter. I added a very generous amount, such heaped tablespoons of peanut butter. The initial recipe, the woman I saw cooking or making this, she only added 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, but I added like 3-4. I added lots of peanut butter, and then we just mixed it up. So we're supposed to use chicken broth for this recipe. I didn't have any chicken broth, so after mixing this up, I added water, a generous amount. I measured with my hands, guys. I don't know how much water I was supposed to put. I added a very generous amount of water, like half the pot. Because the water is supposed to, the water with the chicken broth is supposed to help chicken cook. Remember, our chicken is not cooked. We just like kind of glazed it in the oil, so that the flavor is locked in, but it's not cooked. It's still raw. So now we add the chicken. We added all up in there, and then we're adding the chicken. And then I added more water after I added the chicken. But because I used so many things for flavor, the flavor was not diluted. So much seasoning, I mean. And so whilst the chicken was cooking, I chopped up some fresh coriander. I think this is another special ingredient for this recipe. So we chopped it up, and then I set it aside for use when the chicken is cooked. Like I said, I like to use my fresh herbs and my green pepper last. Guys, we almost done. Oh, this looks lovely. Such a beautiful color. So nice. So we add our fresh herbs and the green pepper. Guys, we almost done. Oh, this looks lovely. Such a beautiful color. So nice. So we add our fresh herbs and the green pepper. It's a countdown to I serve food, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I so hope that you enjoy this peanut butter and chicken stew when you make it. Ha! It's a banger, guys. It's a banger. There you have it. Our rice, our coleslaw, and our chicken and peanut butter sauce.